Okay, next problem. Let's suppose that a farmer wants to build a new rectangular enclosure with area of 4,000 square feet. Again, he will not fence the side next to the river, so this is exactly the same sort of setup that we had in the previous problem. If fencing costs $8 per foot, what is the cost function in terms of x, the length perpendicular to the river? Alright, now before we begin, we have to draw a picture to see what's actually happening. So I'll have a little river right there, blue, and I'm going to have three sides of the river. Now I'm going to call one side that's perpendicular x, and I'll have another one that's x. I don't know the side that's parallel to the river, so I'll just give that a name like y. I'm leave it to the side there because I want to figure out, well, what is y? What is that? So what we do know for a fact is that the area of this thing should be 4,000 square feet. Again, that's in the problem up here. So if I work this out, the area, which is equal to x times y, should equal to 4,000. Okay. What that says is that y, I can then solve for y. That's just going to be 4,000 divided by x. Okay, so over here I'm going to have y is equal to 4,000 divided by x. Next I need to figure out what the perimeter of this is. Now you'll notice that if I add this up, this length here, this is an x plus y plus x. And then I can write the perimeter in terms of x by writing x plus 4,000 divided by x plus x. Let's go ahead and do that now. So the perimeter is going to be equal to x plus y, again if I go around, plus x, which is just 2x plus y. Now I can write the perimeter in terms of x alone by simply rewriting what we know for y. I can just rewrite the y in terms of 4,000 over x. So let's do that. So I'm going to have 2x plus 4,000 divided by x. So that's the perimeter in terms of one variable x. Now for the cost, I need to figure out how much does it cost if I add up the perimeter all the way around. So we're given in the problem that it's going to be $8 right here per foot. So we see it's going to be per foot. So the cost function, and I'll put this down here, the cost function c of x is going to be $8 times the perimeter in terms of x. So that's going to be equal to 8 times 2x plus 4,000 divided by x. Now if you distribute the 8 through that, what you're going to get is 16x plus 32,000 divided by x. And that is our cost. That's the final answer. Alright. I think that's it.